This is Eric Moore with Mother.com with about 8 minutes before the end of the session on this options expiration week, today being a Friday. As I am recording this, market's down slightly for the day, not a big deal. Let's see here, we can see that for the week, the Dow was down about 0.36%, so really no change for this week. S&P 500 was up about a percentage point. And the NASDAQ was up the most and up about 2.5% for the week. So the NASDAQ did have a good showing. And actually I wanted to begin here because one of the reasons why the NASDAQ could be more stable and having a good week is because the NASDAQ has managed to recapture the 69.1 level on the weekly. And as long as the market is above that threshold on any of the major averages, it just means that this market continues to be stable at the very worst and bullish at the very best. So really no surprise as we see the market coming off the lows for Friday's session. This is just because really nothing has broken down yet. Markets are still stable until at some point when they change their look or their feel. In fact,